me clap twice. Alright, so today's skill, we're going to work on dodging, chasing, and fleeing. Alright? Now, dodging, chasing, and fleeing is a skill we use sometimes in what kinds of games? What do you think? Raise your hand on here.
Oh, I know. I think we use tossing in games.
Nope. Dodging, chasing, and fleeing.
Oh, I think we like chase in games like tag.
Yeah, we dodge and we chase and we flee in games like tag. And then as you get older and you get more skills, you sometimes have to dodge in a game of football, right? Okay, you gotta catch the ball, but then you have to dodge all those people that are trying to tackle you. What other kinds of games do you have to dodge something? Soccer, right? I gotta dribble and dodge those defenders. Okay?
Or when you're going, you have to jump on it like a little cat on the mouse.
Sometimes. Alright, so you sort of have an idea. Hold on for a second, okay, Ron? You have a pretty good idea of what dodging, chasing, and fleeing looks like. Now let's define it. So somebody tell me, what is dodging? So how would you describe it?
Moving out of the way.
Moving out of the way. That's good. Okay, so we're moving out of the way to avoid something. Okay, so we're moving, and there's a descriptive word we're going to use, and it ends with an ly. Moving blankly to avoid someone or something. So think about how you move. When you're moving to dodge something or avoid something, what do you have to do, Emily?
Out of the way. Go to the left.
Well, think about the speed. It's an adjective. Remember, adjectives describe something. They're like ly words sometimes.
Like what you did. You did it.
So I have to move slowly or
Fastly.
close, quickly, right? I have to move. So it's moving quickly.
You said an ly word. You said an ly word. You didn't say Q.
But it ends in ly.
Oh.
So then chase, if dodging is moving quickly to avoid someone or something, what does chasing look like? Logan. Answer. Did everybody hear Logan?
Yeah.
Logan said it's moving to run or catch someone. So when you're chasing someone, you're either trying to get past them maybe, or you're trying to catch them. Okay? Remember, you guys gotta raise your hand. You can't all blurt it out at the same time. So that's a great definition of chasing, but what's fleeing? What do you think fleeing is, Rowan?
Moving away.
Yeah, moving away from the chaser, right? So, Rowan, I have a question for you. When you're chasing and when you're fleeing, are you also doing it quickly? Alright, so today we're going to do a couple of activities where you're going to get to work on dodging for a few drills and practices, and then chasing somebody and then fleeing away from somebody, okay? So here's your first task. We're going to work on dodging. So when I say go, I need you to find self-space inside the red square. Ready? Go.
You're rolling.
Oh, I like Bella's self-space. I like Hannah's self-space. Good job. All right. So your first task is we're going to just work on dodging. And all I want you to do is walk around inside of the red square, and every time you hear the signal, I want you to quickly change direction. And when you hear the whistle, you're going to quickly change your direction. So kind of a little warm-up, a little practice of your dodging. So you don't have to avoid it. You have to avoid somebody, but are they necessarily coming at you? No, they're just in your space, right? We can't run into these people around us, so we might have to avoid them. All right, are you ready? All right, on the signal go, you're going to walk. Ready, go. Who's ever tried to grab a little fishy in a little lake and you're really super quiet and you're just hanging out there and you see the fish get a little bit closer, and as you start to snatch for him, he darts away, right? He kind of comes close, then he darts away, okay? So now we're gonna work on that darting again, but we're gonna get that picture of that fish who darts away in our head, because that's what we wanna look like. So we wanna walk close to something and then dart away. Walk close to something, then dart away. Okay, are you ready? So give me some really good darts, very quick, very split seconds. Get close to something, then dart in a different direction. Logan, that was great. Good one, Jason. Very cool, very quick right here. Try not to follow each other. Get close and then dart. There you go. That was better than me. Okay. All right, freeze. So are you getting the idea that in order to dart and dodge, we have to be what? Fast. We have to be very quick. It has to be very split seconds, very quickly. All right, so now, kind of your challenge. I want 5 perfect darts.
Okay.
And when you get 5 perfect darts, put your hands on your shoulders so I know you're done. Okay? So I want to see you give me 5 very perfect darts. So a perfect dart has to have what, do you think?
Quick movement.
Quick movement.
Like this.
And what else? Change in
Direction.
very good, Jason.
Very
Change
quick.
in direction. Yes. All right, so 5 very good darts, and then put your hands on your shoulders so I know you're done. Ready? Go. Try not to touch each other. Oh, Jackson, that was great. You didn't even stop. Oh. Good. Good, it looks like we're all done. All right. Okay, so now, I know, okay, don't worry about it, we'll ignore it. All right, so here's what I want you to do now. So that was just what skill? Darting and dodging, right? Okay, now we want to do a little practice task where we get to work on chasing and fleeing. All right, let's say I'm chasing Logan. What kinds of things can Logan do to make it very difficult for me to catch him? What's one, Logan? What?
I can dodge away from him. Why you can keep chasing zigzag.
So he's gonna dodge. He's gonna make quick changes of direction. Anya said you could use what?
Zigzagging.
So I can move in a zigzag pattern, right? Okay. And what's one more thing, Jason?
Make sure you move quickly.
Right.
And make sure that you don't out.
What about a fake? Raise your hand if you've heard the word fake before. And as it relates to some physical activity. So who thinks they can define a fake for us when it comes to like being active and moving? What do you think? Oh, very good. She just said it's like pretending to walk one direction, but you're really going to go the other direction. So you give him a fake. So Logan might want to give me a fake. As he's moving, he might act like he's going to go this way, but then he turns real quickly and he goes the other way. So as a fleer, Logan is going to use a zigzag pattern where he changes direction. He might use some fakes, and he's going to try to move quickly. Yeah, look at that fake. Okay? All right. Now, as a fleer, as somebody that's chasing Logan, what do I need to do? I have to be quick. But let's say I should be watching part of his body. And what part of his body do you think I should be watching as I'm chasing? Feet. Close. But before my feet move, what has to move?
Hips.
My hips. Because wherever my hips are going to go, that's where my feet might go. Because I might act like I'm going to go this way, but my hips are turned this way. So which way am I actually going to go? So I want to watch Logan's hips as he's moving. Okay? Alright? So this game's called Catch Up Chase. So you're going to chase somebody and try to catch up to them. Alright? Well, you don't necessarily have to tag them because I'm not going to let you chase them that long. So when I say go, you're going to find a partner and stand one behind the other. Ready? Go. You got 5, 4, 3, 2. Make sure you guys. Oh. Okay. So Jason, come on. So you guys going to be partners? Okay. So you. All right. Listen to you. You guys are going to be Chico Streets and then one starts rotating out every time. Right? So Jason, why don't you just rotate out? All right. So here's how catch-up chase works. Let's take Sienna and Emily for example. Sienna is
Clear.
she's the A, so she's gonna be the fleer. She's fleeing away. Emily is B. She's the chaser. So on signal number 1, okay, the first whistle, that's Sienna's signal to go. Second whistle is Emily's signal to go. Okay? So you guys are really clumped up right now, boys and girls. I need you to separate out and make sure that you have some room so that if you start to run, you're not going to bump into anybody. But make sure you stay in the white oval. Oh, perfect. So raise your hand if you are going on the first whistle. Oh, what?
I'm already.
So both of you can have your hands. Let's go race one more time. Rowan is A. Anish is B. Rowan is going to move on whistle 1. The second whistle is not part of it. On the second whistle, Anish is going to chase after Rowan. Okay? So are you both moving at the same time? You're not starting at the same time, right? Rowan starts first, then Anish. Okay, are you ready? Stay inside the white. All right, remember, what are you going to do, Fleer? You're going to do what? You're going to zigzag, right on. And what else? Use a dodge or a bait. All right. Whistle number 1. Whistle number 2. Chase them, get him, Anish. You're going to be. Anish is fleeing and you're chasing him. So Rowan, come join me. Anish, Jason's chasing you. So remember, I want to see a really big zigzag. I want to see lots of changes of direction. I want to see some fakes. So we should have swapped places. Okay, so if you're A, you're now B. If you're B, you're now A. All right, whistle number 1. Whistle 2. Oh, zigzag! Quick, Hannah! Don't look behind you, just keep going! Zig it! Zag it! Oh, good job! Alright, here's what I need now. We're going to do it one more time so that Rowan can get in as a chaser. So Rowan is going to chase Jason now. Anish, you get to relax. All right, Rowan, stand up. You're going to chase Jason. All right, so flip-flop one more time. Hands up if you swap places. All right. This has to be the best one yet. So chasers got to watch the hips, and fleers are going to have to zigzag. Changes of direction, and use that. Good, Hannah. Ready? Whistle 1. Whistle 2. Whoa, zigzag it! Go, Jason! Go, Jason! Go! people so that they don't bump into others. True or false? Anya. Yeah, true. Correct. Okay, we want to dodge so that we avoid other people. Number 2, you should run in a zigzag pattern, changing directions often so that you don't get tagged. True, right, okay? Because if Jackson and I are the same speed and we both run in a straight line, do you think eventually I would catch Jackson?
Yeah.
Yeah, but if he's zigzagging, I'll never know which way he's going to go next. So he'll make it really hard for me to catch him. All right, number 3. If you are the tagger, you are fleeing from other students when moving in general space. True or false? Emily, what do you think? If you're the fleer, or if you're the tagger, are you fleeing? No, right. If you're tagging, what are you doing? Well, that's what a fleer does. Help, you can see it. You're chasing. When you're a tagger, you're chasing. Right? Yes, Jason. Right. Number 4, when chasing someone, you need to watch their feet to know what his or her next move will be. But sorry. Oh, right.
You need to
Bella, what do you have to watch? Their hips. Okay? Alright, I have 4 words. Split second. Watch hips. Fake. Change directions. Are those words, are all 4 of those phrases things I would tell somebody who is fleeing? All 4 of them?
No.
Which one would I not tell a fleer? Logan. They were split second, watch hips, fake, change directions. Would I tell somebody who's moving away to watch hips? No, but would I tell them to change directions? Yes. Good answer. Okay. All right, you guys, great job today. So next time I see you, for dodging, chasing, and fleeing, we're going to work more on putting all 3 together in one activity. So where you have to dodge a tagger, you have to try to run away from a tagger, and you'll get a chance to chase some people. All right? Great job today. Good work. You can grab a drink and line up on the yellow.